No, don't record yet.
Too bad.
Oh, crap. Okay. Not too close. Perfect. Thank you. Sunrise, sunrise, looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 for hours. Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, 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 to you. Surprise, surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face. Surprise, surprise, never something I could hide, when I see we made it through another day. Then I'll say, ooh, to you. Instrument go. What are you doing?
I only have a full battery.
No, not that close. Comment if you like it. And now the night will throw its cover down.